GlitzGlamFam, welcome back to my channel. I have yet another mystery box for our mystery box series. I have no makeup on because I was like organizing my office and everything, and then I looked outside and this head came and it's Saturday, so I was like, let me open it up. So this is the Juvia's Place mystery bag. I ordered 2 of them. They were $15 each. So let's take a look and see what we got in both different boxes. So it did all come in one box, but I ordered it all at the same time. So let's see. Let's see if there's any duplicates. So there's the, wow, they're the same thing. Okay, so right here, there are duplicates. So this is the A Freak. So this is 2. And then this is 2, I think, of the same thing. Yeah, 2 of the same thing. So this is, okay, so I guess we'll be, so let's see. I'm going to open these. So let's see what's in here. It's literally just 2 of the exact same thing. So I guess we'll have a giveaway in this video. Okay, so this is called A Freak by Juvia. So it's pretty. Outside. Okay, so here's the inside. Okay, so I'll have to look up the retail for this. I'll put the retail in here. So I got this, and then I got one of these. So this is a lip gloss, sophisticated. So, and it's like a pink kind of color. Actually, it's like a mauve-y kind of color. Hold on. Can't even get this out. And this is, it just says lip gloss, sophisticata. Okay, and it's like a mauve-y kind of glittery color. So I have this. Should I swatch it? Okay. This is like, oh, this is kind of nice. So it's like a nude kind of color. A little bit peachy orangey. Okay. It's cute, but I have 2 of them. And then this is, yep, same thing. 2 of these. So 2 of the exact same thing. So it was 4 items total. The invoice says the holiday mystery bag times 2. So, and the shipping was $6. I ordered it on the 22nd and it got here on the what's today, the 26th, but yesterday was Christmas, so if it wasn't a holiday, it probably would have came then. But I'm in New Jersey and they're in New Jersey, so, and this is, oh wow, this is really dark. Okay, so this is matte and metallic liquid lipstick, and it comes in here. I guess, how do you know which one's metallic? This says made in the USA. Okay, so it's the same color. One is matte and one's metallic. So you get this, and this, which is, I guess that's a good value for $15. That is a good value for $15, but it's 2 of the same color. And I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. We'll have a giveaway in this video because I have duplicates of everything. So we'll just have a giveaway in this video. So for the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and just tell me what you think of the Juvia's holiday mystery bundle. The shipping was really quick and the price was pretty cheap. I think I'll actually pick 2 winners since, I mean, some of this stuff is the same. Actually, I'll swatch one of these lipsticks. I guess I will swatch. I'm more likely to wear a metallic, so I'll swatch a metallic because the matte, I'm not really too into mattes. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so here we go. It doesn't look metallic. It smells good. It smells like cake or something. I mean, I don't know if I want to do an ombre or something. It's a nice dark color for like fall or holiday or something. The nude, yeah, I can wear the nude. This isn't my favorite kind of nude, but I mean, it's something that I could wear. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think of these, of the mystery. I think it was a really good price. I wish I didn't get 2 of the exact same thing, but I mean, that's the risk you run when you get a mystery bundle. So yeah, guys, what do you think of the palette? Here's the palette here. There are definitely some shades in here I could use. The green would be good for holiday. There is no mirror, but I still think it's a nice palette overall. Not really my shades, but I'm sure some people would like this palette. So yeah, guys, enter the giveaway. Good luck. So you want to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to give this video a thumbs up and watch until the end. And leave a comment down below what you thought of the 2 boxes. I mean, they're really essentially one box and the same box. And what do you guys think of that? Till the next video, guys. Bye.